I'm so sorry. I was just walking my dog, and his leash got caught in one of your candy canes, and he broke it. I'm sure this was expensive. I'm going to leave a 20 here. All right. I'm sorry again.
In a world full of insurance scams, it's nice to see the opposite at a pedestrian crossing. This dad is about to find out that the person who anonymously donated their kidney to him was his daughter. When this tourist tried to pay for his fruit, it was pointed out that guests simply don't have to do that in Pakistan. This 19-year-old chef was knocked out of the competition, but before he went home,
I am personally going to send you to culinary school.
Thank you, Lord.
If this is how good you are without proper training, young man, at 19 years of age, let me tell you, you've got the potential to be great.
sometimes even tiny cats need to phone the emergency services. There's no greater love than a grandfather making a snowball purely for his grandson to throw it at him. The King's Guard have to maintain their composure at all times. But when there's a cute, tiny King's Guard waiting for them, they can sometimes be a bit flexible.